guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then I am Vicky and I make a mixture of videos. So today I am doing a unboxing slash first impressions of the Vax Dulux Power Pet Advance Carpet Washer. So I actually bought this impulsively. If you want to know more about why I bought this, go look at the vlog from the 16th and 17th of May. I will link it here in the little card thing if I remember. But yeah, if you want to know more about why I ended up buying a carpet washer just really randomly, go check out that vlog because it was a whole weekend. It was a drama. So I bought this without any research, really, just quickly looking through the Argos website. And I bought this one because it was on sale. It was reduced from £150 down to £120. And it had an attachment to clean my stairs. It also has a pre-treat attachment as well, which I think is very intriguing. And yeah, so it was just slightly better than some of the other models that were around the same price because it was reduced at the time. I will link it down below. Hopefully it'll still be in stock. I ordered it on the Saturday night and then I went and picked it up from my local Sainsbury's Argos pickup point on the Sunday morning. It was super quick. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into it. So here it is. This is the box. It is the Vax Dulux Power Pet Advance. It comes with 2 rotring brushes to deep clean and refresh carpets. Comes with a wash tool and a 2.5 metre hose and some pre-treatments in there. It also has some other stuff. I also got like a big tub of the original carpet cleaner. I believe this has the pet one in it, if I'm correct. So I'm just gonna unbox it. This is everything that came in the box. So you get a little bag to keep all your tools in. This is the hose and the upholstery cleaner. That is the pre-treatment wand and the pre-treatment solution. The handle, the Pet Plus carpet cleaner, the user manual. Then that's the base and that is the water thing that goes on top of that. So yeah, now it's time to put it together. Read the user manual first and put it together. And that's it. It is built. It is literally that simple. That was so easy. And you do that to fill the water tank. See how easy it is to get back in. Okay, not as easy to get back in as it is to get out. Get it back in. Aha! Okay, yeah, that is really straightforward. I just didn't know how to do it. So there's a little lip there. You just have to make sure that goes behind that. And listen for the click. And then to get this out, release them clips. And that one. And there you go. How do you open it there? So easy to open. I have absolutely no idea what any of that plastic stuff does, so I am not touching any of that. But you just need to know how to open and close it. And then get it back in. So again, I'm guessing you need to get it behind that circle bit. And it just clicks into place. When you go forward like that, you press the little button and it releases the spray, and then you come back to suck it up. So I'm guessing you won't be able to hear me once it's on, that's why I'm saying now. Before I empty it and move on to my stairs, I just wanted to show you that is what I got out of my hallway. So I think that's quite impressive. So I'm going to show you how you attach this wand. So this end the brush goes on with this little blue bit here. And then this end I want to put in here. Somehow, aha, there we go. And then, wait. There we go. That's that on, and then this needs to go on here. There's like little notches that line up. My stairs now cleaned. It took some getting used to because my stairs are not straight, they curved, but I'm very happy. It was easy enough. The extension cable was long enough that I could plug it in upstairs, and the vac got all the way to the bottom of the stairs, so that was really handy. And then I could reach God knows how many stairs with this hose. I just lifted it up the stairs because I could. So this will be handy for a lot of staircases. Mine is a very awkward, quite long, curved staircase, and it's gone really well. I'm really loving this. Okay, so I'm going to use the pre-treatment nozzle now in my bedroom. I have these coffee stains over here from my coffee machine, and I'm going to use that. So this is still in its plastic wrapping. I'm just going to show you how you attach it. Super easy. Just goes on that blue nozzle. Obviously I haven't actually tried this, but the other one was super easy. Oh, it's a goddamn cable tie. if you can see, there's these two like notches, and then on here there is, you're not going to be able to tell, but there's two little notches where they fit in. So just push down and slide it onto that, and there you go, look, that's in. To take it off, simply just do that, and there you go. Just twist it and it comes off. So I'm going to put this back in its bag now and wait 10 minutes. So I'm actually going to use the nozzle attachment to get into this corner where the stains was, and I'm also going to use it up on the upper edge of the wall of my bedroom. But really, I just want to see how well these stains come up. It looks like they're still there for the time being, but we'll see how it cleans. I'm using the solution that I bought, not the solution that came with the machine this time, because it has a slightly stronger smell, and I like my bedroom smelling really nice. So I'm just going to get on with it and see how these come up. They have appeared to come up really well. I'll see how it looks when they dry. There is still a little bit here which hasn't quite come up, and getting the stains over here by the wall was quite tricky. But they seem to have come up really well. So they're 100 times better than what they looked before. So I'm really pleased. The pre-treatment has definitely helped. So that is the end of my showing how to use this machine and how I feel. Yeah, I'm happy.